Greetings of the day to one and all gathered here. I am Taraniya Sairaj, research scholar from the Department of Computer Applications, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. And my research guide is Dr. S.R. Balasundaram, professor from the Department of Computer Applications, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Today, I am here to represent our work on an entailment analysis based entity mapping to improve automatic question generation. The task of generating assessment questions manually is laborious. Also, asking questions the human way have created few uncertainties in text understanding. To address this challenge, the following work is implemented. The overview of the proposed work is as follows. Introduction, need for natural language understanding in e-assessment, inspiration, motivation from the literature, problem statement, proposed methodology, analysis, conclusion, and future work. Introduction. Assessment plays a pivotal role in educational knowledge enrichment. The process of learning becomes contented with assessment in practice. As stated earlier, generating assessment questions manually is a time-consuming task. So, to automate this process, various text processing techniques are performed in the proposed work. So, now the question is, why NLP or what is its role in the proposed work? As artificial intelligence progresses and the technology becomes more sophisticated, this technique evolved to interpret natural language through the intersection of linguistics and computer science. The ultimate goal of natural language processing is to read, decipher, understand, and to make sense of the text through machine intelligence. Now, the question is, will natural language processing give way to natural language understanding? Yes. Considered as a subtopic of natural language processing, natural language understanding reduces the unstructured text into a form of structured knowledge representation. Natural language understanding relates the semantic sense of textual entities through their connotative representation, leading to disambiguation in mapping the textual knowledge. Let us go through a real world example. Let us consider few statements from the web for the task of generating questions automatically. The term software refers to programs and other operating information used by computers. In contrast to the hardware, a specification of instructions to execute user tasks represents software. In order to link these entities for generating questions automatically, there is a need to acquire the textual entities and their corresponding references. At this stage, few questions arise, such as, are the terms hardware, software, and computer related to each other? Can hardware replace software in the example? Are the terms computer, hardware referring each other? If so, why not hardware and software refer each other? The semantic variability analysis of entities is vital here, which can be predicted through entailment nature analysis. The requirement of entailment analysis for entity sense disambiguation is shown in this slide. In the example shown here, the term software is related to the terms package, program, and computing in ConceptNet knowledge base, which is a repository of real-world common sense. In the same way, the term hardware is related to the terms technology, computer, computing, CPU, etc. in ConceptNet. So, there is a need for semantic heterogeneity analysis to relate these entities using their connotative representations. With this need, related literature is studied and the observations are tabulated. In the year 2000, William W. Cohen, Henry Kautz, and David McCluster focused on semantic graph extraction from text. Here, the impact of heterogeneity in knowledge resolution was triggered. 12 years later, Markov logic based approach to extract knowledge from text was proposed. This prompted the research towards the analysis of the logical interpretability of the existing models. Later in the year 2015, Ilyas Charlie and Shahid A. Hassan retrieved relevant question answer pairs from the text. Here, the influence of linking interdocument relationships triggered further analysis. Next year, redundancy free verbalization of individuals for ontology validation was experimented by Vinu E. and P.S. Kumar. This model binds the text and the ontology through generalization of relationships. 2 years later, Sanju Mishra Tiwari and Sarika Jain remarked semantic variability analysis in their workflow. This paved the way for further textual entailment analysis. Based on this study, the problem statement is defined through the following research question. Is it possible to generate a question through knowledge mapping? Do mappings serve as exact references to each other? Can relationship between entities be disambiguated semantically? How are heuristics generated to address semantic variability? Will ontological axioms support pattern-based heuristics generation? In this context, the motivations from the literature are as follows. Heterogeneity in knowledge resolution must be focused. Analysis of semantic variability of entities is highly needed. Requirement of linking intersentential relationships is highlighted. Logic-based heuristic generation may serve as a redressal towards the challenges. With these observations, the proposed work begins with text processing, followed by entity extraction and entity validation against ConceptNet knowledge base, which is a repository of real-world common sense. Then, the patterns are acquired to map the relationships through generated heuristics using one versus rest classifier for entity entailment analysis. The generated heuristics are displayed in this slide, which serves as a model to detect patterns from the text for entailment nature categorization. The architecture of the proposed work is shown in this slide. Entities extracted from the text are given as input from which their connotative representations and their corresponding weights are computed from the ConceptNet knowledge base. It is then combined with the heuristics in the next layer to obtain the predicted labels. In analysis part, the performance comparison is done with mean in degree, median in degree, accuracy, and Hamming loss metrics. The scores computed using these metrics against the existing and proposed models are compared in the table given below. Here, the closer mean in degree and median in degree scores represent the effectiveness of the model in handling outliers. Conclusion. The work focuses on bridging entity mapping with automatic question generation through ontological relationship classification heuristics and entity entailment nature categorization. In future, fuzziness in the semantic analysis will be examined. The references for the proposed work are displayed here. Any questions? Thank you.